Hello, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
So today we are going to be doing a review of what I've learned.
So if you're new here, we encourage you to subscribe and look at all the videos that we've done before. Now today we're going to talk about a review. First of all, we've been out for a long time. So we thought that to come back, we still need to look at what have we done before and whether Nikki can talk about what she has learned so that we see whether she's learning or not. So what have you chosen that we are reviewing today?
Today we are going to be reviewing family members.
Family members. So family members, let's start from mother,
Mama,
mama, father,
Baba,
or
Wonwa,
wonwa, correct. Father or wonwa. No, baba or wonwa. Then sister, yeah. Nyaminwa.
Nyaminwa
Seriously, Nick. Sister is Nyaminwa. And then brother,
is Nyawonwa. No, Jawonwa.
Owadwa. Now what is
Owadwa.
Jawonwa?
Owadwa.
Owadwa. Uncle from father's side is called Wonwa.
Wonwa.
And then uncle from mother's side is called Nera.
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 And then aunt from father's side is called
Nera.
Waya.
Waya.
Waya. And aunt from mother's side is called? Your auntie from mother's side is called your mother, like you call her your mom, so you just call her mama. Okay, or minwa. And then the other thing is about who? Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Father-in-law is called? So as you can see, guys, that she has learned 0. And now we are redoing everything from scratch. But for you out there, you can still look at our videos and see what we did with this. I have done this 3 times. I have done a PowerPoint presentation. I have done 2 times with Nikki. So you can watch through to see what we've done so far. So, and the last presentation was very good because I detailed the mother, father, mother's family, father's family, my family, and all that. Good. So that's a short brief of family. Next.
Next is
Water bodies.
Yep.
Water bodies. So water bodies, how do you call water, first of all?
Water. P.
P. Not P, but P.
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 Good. And let me check if, do we have sound? Okay.
Yes, we do.
So water is P. And if you want water for drinking, what do you say?
You say P modo.
P modo. So help me with drinking water. Translate that.
Mia P modo.
Konya called P modo. Mia is just give me, but help me is konya. Konya gi P modo. Okay, that is good. Now, if you have a river, how do you call a river? River becomes? Starts with an A.
Arita? No.
Ahora.
Ahora.
Seriously. Again, you can see 0. Now, a lake.
A lake.
Lake becomes what? Nam. A dam. Nikki, are you even reading these things? You don't even read. Yawo.
Yawo.
So as you can see, she has forgotten thousands of items that we've learned. So you have to go and study lake, you have to go and study the river and all those things. You have to study family, you have to study what else?
Movement.
Movement. Yeah, movement. What do you want to say about movement?
If you're standing, you say chung.
Achung, correct.
If you're sitting, you say abate.
Abate, correct.
If you're walking, you say awoto.
Awoto, that's good.
If you are running, you say aringo.
Aringo, good.
That's all I know.
If you're squatting, squatting becomes aguam.
Aguam.
Jump, skip.
Skip.
Skip becomes, or jump. Jump becomes achikora.
Achikora.
There is skip and there is jump. There is alengora and there is achikora. Which one is alengora? If you're skipping, skipping a paddle, like if you're skipping from one place to the other, that is a alengora. But if you're jumping from up and down, just moving up and down, then it is
achikora.
Achikora, yes. Any other movement?
No.
Soda. Sodikocha. What does that mean?
Move there.
Movie, yeah. Sode, that move. Sode. So if you come to a place, like if you come to my house and you want me to move, you just say sode. Sode. Good. Any other?
No.
No. Now, apart from movement, what else do you know?
I know counting.
Counting. Let's count.
Achiel.
Louder, I can't hear you.
Achiel. Ario. Adek. Angwen. Abich. Auchiel. Abirio. Aboro. Ochiko. Apar.
34.
34. Wait. I forgot. By
20.
20. Apargaria.
That's 12. 11.
Apargachel.
Move. Just count.
Apargaria. Apargadek. Apargangwen. Apargabich. Apargaochel. Apargabirio. Apargaboro. Apargochico.
Prario.
Praria.
21.
Praria. Prariogi achel.
27.
Prariogi auchel. No, abirio.
30. If prario was 20, 30 would be
Pradek.
32.
Pradek gi ariyo.
35.
Pradek gi abich.
39.
Pradek gi ochiko.
50.
Prabich.
51.
Prabich gi achiel.
56.
Prabich gi auchiel.
59.
Prabich gi ochiko.
60.
Prauchiel.
63.
Prauchiel gi adek.
70.
Prabiriyo.
77.
Prabiriyo gi abiriyo.
80.
Praboro.
82.
Praboro gi ariyo.
85.
Praboro gi abich.
89.
Praboro gi ochiko.
81.
Praboro gi achiel.
90.
Prochiko.
92.
Prochiko gi ariyo.
98.
Prochiko gi aboro.
Good. So counting, you're good. Then what else? Last thing?
Fruits.
Fruits. What fruits do you know?
I know banana.
Which is?
Rabolo.
Rabolo, banana. Any other? Pineapple. Watermelon.
No.
Oranges. Mango. Oh, apples.
No.
So, in general, what do you call fruits?
In fruits.
If you don't know the name, you say it's what? Fruit is? You remember the video about the farm? What did we say fruits are?
Fruits.
Stop doing that.
Are.
The general name is?
Omula.
What is omula now? Olemo.
Olemo.
Yawaniki. Olemo. Banana.
Rabolo.
Machunga. Oranges. Machunga.
Machunga.
Banana ginene. Nini? Watermelon. Afuoto.
Afuoto.
Guava. Mapera.
Mapera.
Which one else? Maembe. Maembe is what? Maembe is what? Maembe is mango.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit is passion cha. We just say passion. I don't know why. I don't know if there's a name for passion fruit. We usually just say passion. Or if you know the name, please just help us with that. What else?
Lemon.
Lemon and Ndim. Yeah, lemon. What else? Chua. Those things I just bought yesterday. They are called what? They are called chua is. I don't know its name. Pods. Something pods. What pods? Huh?
I don't know. Mom knows.
Okay, we'll look for those names and give them to you. So that's a review of what she's learned. Of course, she's learned only 20-30%. And the other 90%. But still, life continues. Donge.
Mm.
Tell them if you like this video.
Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and
Patreon, YouTube. Hey. Yeah. And then the thing is, we are everywhere and we are called Luo English Dictionary.
On Twitter, it's Luo English Dict. So,
I'm okay now.
already, goodbye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.